अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। स्कॉटलैंड से मेरे सफ़र का आगाज़ हुआ था। पहली जॉब यहाँ पे और यहाँ से करते करते फिर बिजनेसेस और अब इतनी बड़ी एम्पायर क्रिएट की। उस एम्पायर में जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट रोल का था, वी हैव मिस्टर डेविड मकाई हियर। इनका रोल इस लिहाज से है कि पहली जो जॉब मेरी हुई थी वो भी इन्होंने करवाई थी। Dave, I will explain in English what I'm saying.
Thanks.
और फिर जो गाइडेंस थी, इफ़ आई से लाइक प्रॉपर मेंटोर, मेरा कोई अगर मेंटोर है पूरी दुनिया में तो वो डेविड मकाई थे। इन्होंने वो जॉब शुरू करवाई, वहाँ से मैं ग्रो करता हुआ जो हम डिस्कस करते थे कार में बैठ के सारी चीज़ें, वही ज़िंदगी मैंने इम्प्लीमेंट की और अल्लाह ताला ने बहुत बड़े लेवल पे कामयाबी दी है। अभी मैं यहाँ ग्लासगो में दोबारा आया हूँ, हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स मिलकर लॉन्च करेंगे और 3-4 हमने डिस्कस किए इंशाल्लाह, जिस पे हम काम स्टार्ट करने लगे हैं। इनके साथ बात करूंगा इंग्लिश में, मैं कोशिश करूंगा उर्दू में थोड़ा थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन भी करूँ। सो देव, थैंक यू वेरी मच फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर बीइंग हियर. What I just said, the same thing, like how we used to travel in the car. Whatever I am today, I feel like if I had any mentor, that was you. That's where the whole thing started, and I put it into practice. And you've done your journey, like you've been through, in universities, and you have your own business as well as you have an amazing project, which we will definitely, if everything goes the way we are thinking, we'll work on it together, and that would be a big change as well. So again, first of all, thank you very much for providing all the support. What is happening right now in your life, in few lines?
Thank you, Shakeel. I am having a lot of fun and enjoying the journey of being an entrepreneur, being someone who was in academia but is very much in practice now, and trying to create products that help people work with strategy in particular. Thank you for saying what you said about the mentor piece. I have such fond memories of our time working together. A long time ago now.
Long time ago.
But the kind of learning that came from us talking and thinking about philosophy and how to do good in business as well as actually delivering performance, it's inspiring, and I'm so proud and happy for you with the success you've achieved. I'm not surprised in some ways, because for me the ingredients were always there, but it's just fantastic the way you've brought that to life, and excited to hear where you're going.
But people talk, like for example, even we were talking about big things, and I was probably saying I want to do this or that. I don't know, I used to say probably before turning 40 I'll be a millionaire. I don't know, I used to say to you or whatever.
You did say that, that's correct.
And I did that. But like, so many students like you work with and you mentor people, and they say these kind of things. Did you ever really think that this is going to happen? And last year, 18 months ago, you came to Dubai and we had a meeting, and that's after, I think, long time we were like in front of each other. Probably I thought you're not even going to believe when I'm going to tell you things where I am exactly. Was it a shock to you?
It was a big shock. Not that you were successful, but the scale of what you'd achieved in the time. I think you were saying to me, I've got 26,000 people working for me, and I was like, no, because you didn't mention it for like the first hour or hour and a half, and I'd been aware that you'd succeeded, and from hearing old mutual contacts, they'd said, told me some of the stories of the businesses you'd launched, and but that was incredible.
And the amazing thing which we were working on, obviously we were at the same time. I had some input in the research paper we did together, and it was based on strategy as practice.
That's right.
ज़्यादातर जो काम किया था वो Dave ने किया था, मैंने थोड़ा सा, so I gave him some data from my organization, but he put my name on it, and that won the first paper.
We won an award.
Award.
At the British Academy of Management, we got the best paper award for strategy in practice. Do you not think that's funny? In practice.
No, exactly. So even if I speak with my guys, when I say, if you're going to talk about strategy which is just in the meeting rooms and the boardrooms and which never get implemented, I'm not interested. Tell me the strategy which my receptionist would apply, and it's actually put into practice. So Dave, I believe one of the biggest names when it comes to strategy, like a company, or whatever level, startup or a multi-million-dollar company, how should they plan out, and what should be their strategy, the growth, and everything included in one package. And that's your project as well, which hopefully we're going to work together on. And I think people so struggle with the strategy.
They do.
So sometimes they startups, they are able to create something special, but then they don't know what to do next to make it a huge company which has both impact in monetary terms as well as the impact on the people, and that's what you do full time. And an announcement when next, I'm hoping we're discussing this, one of my programs in Dubai, I will kindly request Dave to come along and share his experience and everything, and probably we'll be doing a lot of programs together, but all the programs again, practical programs, the term I use, which has direct impact on the people who are attending the programs as well as the impact beyond. Again, Dave, thank you very much. It's been amazing, and I'm the happiest right now because I feel like I came back to Glasgow. I was here to enjoy the sunshine, but it was still cold.
Yeah.
Then I met you and I forgot that it's cold. So many things आप देखेंगे देव के साथ मैं मिलके करूँगा. जर्नी कौन सा मैं कर रहा हूँ, वापस ग्लासगो में आया हूँ, जिन जिन जगहों पे मैंने काम किया उन सब जगहों पे मैं जा रहा हूँ. लेकिन जैसा मैंने कहा, Dave had the biggest role, I feel, at the initial level when you're a starter, you're starting your job or starting your journey. If you get some support, and you were so nice, like कभी feel नहीं हुआ, it's like friendly, like we were talking like friends. It's not like you're the boss or you're mentoring me. No, me, do this. So it was all good. Thank you very much for that. And let's do something great together which has wider impact on the world. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Shakeel.